Yes, everybody. Now let's start to second hour. Yes, start to the second hour. Playing this one once again for video. So, there's 98, 200 and 288. What?
Stop. It's not recording. Oh, ne konuşuyorsun? Is recording.
Listen, Mücahit. I do what I do, please do not interrupt me. So, among these numbers, inside of these numbers, in these numbers, 98, 200 and 288, the easiest one is 200. So, we can write 200 as 100 times 2. It is the easiest one. So, I need to make times 2 in each root. In each root, I need to make times 2. So, to make times 2 for 98, we divide 98 by 2. It makes 49 Shefki. Look at the board.
And S2 also.
So, for 288, I make that times 2. So, 288 divided by 2 makes 144. We take 49 out as 3 times 7. Times 7. 100 goes out as times 10. 2 times 10. So, after these 3 times 7 makes 21, 2 times 10 makes 20, 21 and 12. Square root is same for all. We take the same thing out of parentheses. From first 21, from second minus 20, from third plus 12 comes. 21 minus 20 makes 1. 1 plus 12 makes 13 square root 2. Let's write the question number D, or question letter D. 3 square root of 320, 5 square root of 605, 2 times square root of 125. Yes, Shefki. Which number is the easiest number for you? Which one looks easiest? Which one looks easiest for you?
320.
320 looks very easy, huh?
Yeah.
Yes. It's also easy, but
125.
125 is the smallest one.
Yeah.
Also, it is not divisible by 2, so it must be the easiest one for you. What?
It's 5.
It's 5? What 5?
25 times 5.
Yes. For 125, 25 times 5 you will write. So, for each root, something times 5 we must make. We must make something times 5 for each root. Do it then. Try that on your note. Look at all the question. For the second time, 3 times square root of. Instead of 320, I will write something times another number. Product of two numbers. For 200, okay, we did. So, minus 5. Instead of this, I will write this number times another number. I must write 2 numbers here. And product. 2 numbers and product. Understood? Did you understand?
Yeah.
So, plus 2. For 125, I must write another times another number. Okay? You understand? So, we look for 320 big number, 605 big number, 125 smaller than the others. 125 my goal. 320 margin, 605 margin, and 125 is smaller than others. So, out of 125, 4 times something for 125, no, we can't do it. 9 times something, no. I mean, can we find a number? 9 times what makes 125? We are looking for that. Sorry, we must use these numbers. Or 4 times what makes 125? We are looking for these. Okay? 9 times, no. 16 times, no. 25 times, what makes 125? It looks divisible. It looks okay. So let's find this number. 25 times what makes 125? Let's think about that. 4 times 5. So 25 times 5. Okay? Because this is easy to do. This is easy to do. So if we have here times 5, this 25 will go out and this 5 stay inside. So from here there must be times 5. 5 must be inside because they must be same. After this step, they must be same. So I must use here times 5. I must use in here also times 5. I must use. I found this 5 from here. Did you understand?
Yes.
From easy one, I found 5. So in each root, I must find something times 5, something times 5. Something times 5. So for this, you do 320 divided by 5. In 3, no. In 32, 6 times 5 makes 30. Minus 32 minus 30 makes 2. 0 comes here. In 20, how many 5? 4 5. In 20. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay? It will finish. For 320, 64 times 5. For these numbers, listen. 605. So you must divide 605 by 5. In 6, how many 5? 1 5. Minus 6 minus 5 is 1. 10. In 10, how many 5? 2. 2. 2 5 makes 10. Move 5 here down here. In 5, how many 5? 1. So 121. Now in the next step, I wrote everything. In the next step, I will take these numbers out. So here we already have 3 times 64. We cancel the roots for 64. 64 goes out. Shefki,
8.
Shefki, that's 8.
Bravo.
And 5 is still here. What? 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 8, 64. So minus 5 is already here times 121. Yes, Adi? 11. And this 5 stays inside. Yes, Jamal, you said 25 will go out and what? 5. It will be 5 out there. Sadri, did you understand?
Yes.
25, 5. 121, 11. 64, 8. Now, 3 times 8, NS.
3 times 8, 24. 100.
Dilala, 5 times 11.
4 times 11.
Yes. 55. 55. Oh, very big numbers. Agon, 10. 10. We will take the same factor out. We will take the common factor out. The same number for each of them. So from first, Mujahid,
24 minus 55 plus 10 is equal to
plus 10. Plus 10 is equal to what?
minus 21.
Minus 21. Minus 21, square root of 5. So everybody, let's understand how it happens. Firstly, let's add the positives. 34 plus 10. 34 plus 10 will be, 24 plus 10 will be 34. So we will have that 34 and minus 55. So this 34 is positive 1. Firstly, we take difference of the numbers, 55 and 34. We subtract them. 5 minus 4, 5 minus 3. The difference is 21 and it must be minus 24, 21 because of minus 55. Okay? Yes, Shefki, could you clean all the question please?
体小さすごく意識で。
Yes.
Square root of 324.
Take them out.
4 times.
So 3 squared, 9, 2 times 9 is
15.
yes.
You genius. Можно
Yes. From these numbers, the numbers generally, not everybody. Be silent, please. Bir daha sen çok rahatsız ettin beni orada. Tamam, Mücahit, Cemali, Bahar, Dilara. Just be silent. From these numbers, 80 is the easiest one. 80 is the easiest one to do. So, from 80, when you think about 80, we can write it as 4 times 20, but we need to use bigger numbers. After 4, 9 times no, or 16 times we can, but we will be able to 25 no, 36 no, 49 is bigger than, so we must use another number. In 20 we have 4 times 5, so 4 times 4 will be 16 times 5. Instead of 80, we can use 16 times 5. So in each of them, we need to leave. Everybody, look at the board and listen. But now listen, we can write it later. Listen now. From 80, we get the number 5. We get the number 5 from 80. So 16 times 5. So in here and in this one, I need to leave 5. If you divide 720 by 5, you will find 144. And 1620 by 5, you will find this number. Now, we know root of this number and root of this number, but root of 324 is problem for us. So, how can we make it 324? Do prime factorization. By 2, 32 will be 16, 4 will be 2. By 2, 16 will be 8, 2 will be 1. 81 by 3, 27, 27 by 3, 9, 9 by 3. 3 by 3, 1. If you cannot find the root, do this always. So, instead of square root of 324, I can write square root of, let's clean this one, can make it. Now, explain two times. 2 power 2 goes there, 3 to the power of 4 goes there. 2 power 2 comes out, 2 power 1, 3 power 4 comes out, 3 power 2. So 2 is, and 3 squared is 9, 2 times 9 is 18. He took this one out as 80. 144 as 12, 3 times 12 will be 36. 16 as 4, 4 times 4 will be 16. 16 plus 36 minus 18. You take square root of 5 out of parentheses, and